In this video, I'll show you how to create an OKX account using the referral code BONUS360 and receive an exclusive sign-up bonus along with 20% trading fee discount. Step 1. Click on the sign-up link below in the video description or comments section to sign up and download the app. Step 2. Enter your correct email address and password. Use the referral code BONUS360 to get bonus and click the sign up button. After registering, the system will redirect you to the email verification page. Open your email to check the account activation code, then copy the sequence of numbers. After copying the sequence of numbers, paste it into the verification code field below. To finish, tap on the download button to get the app on your phone.
How do I get a verified account on the app to receive a bonus?
Step 1. Log into the app. Tap on the user icon in the top left corner. Step 2. Tap Verify to start your verification process.
What is the benefit of using the referral link to sign up?
The benefit of using the referral link to sign up is that it automatically applies the referral code, ensuring users receive the bonus without any extra steps.
What should I do if the referral code isn't automatically applied?
If the referral code isn't automatically applied, you can manually copy and paste the provided referral code from the video description into the sign-up process.
What is OKX Referral Code?
BONUS360 is OKX Referral Code. This code can be used while creating a new account to claim a $10,000 sign-up bonus and get 20% off all trading fees. Enter referral code BONUS360 during sign-up and claim up to $10,000. You can claim the sign-up bonus just after creating a new account on OKX with a referral code.
How to claim the welcome bonus?
Step 1. Log into your OKX account. Step 2. Once logged in, look for the Rewards Hub or Promotions section. This is typically located in the top navigation bar or on your profile page. Step 3. Browse through the available rewards, which may include trading bonuses, referral rewards, airdrops, or other promotions. Step 4. Once you've identified the reward you want to claim, click on the Claim button associated with it. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to ensure you meet all the requirements. Step 6. After claiming the reward, check your account balance to verify that the reward has been credited. It may take some time for the reward to reflect in your account.
How can I deposit, withdraw, and complete KYC verification?
In the next videos, I'll walk you through how to deposit, withdraw, and complete the KYC process. It's a simple process, and I'll make sure to explain every step clearly.
How can I download apps and step-by-step guides?
Visit leonacademy.org to find app download links, referral code, promo sign-up bonus code, and complete guides. If you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to catch the next videos.